I will show you whatever this, how we'll paste, that's mainly this portion. Before I show you, just take iron and with the proper heat, you just fix the paste this way. Okay, this one now I will show you that one how to fix that portion. You have to stitch another part. You have to stitch on that. Basically, I think you see there is a problem is we are have to fix properly, because otherwise the pasting is, you can understand, this is creating problem little bit, because hope when we iron on that one, that time we couldn't put proper temperature. Okay, so don't continue this mistake. So I'll show you this one, paste on that properly, so you can fix it properly. So this side, now you just fold this portion and again show this one please. This, okay, and fold, how to fold, this way the fold, okay, and next portion, whatever this the extra material, you can keep just half inches there, half inches, yeah, 1 centimeter, whatever. Okay, it's ready. Now our stitch part. Okay, on the sleeves we are just fixing, okay, on the continuous placket, and now the band, okay, shirts, the band portion, we are stitch on that. So this way, whatever the sleeves, side sleeves, we have to stitch properly. Okay, you will just watch minutely so you can understand easily. Also watch this one, how to put the threads in the middle, in the needle actually. This one ready continuous placket. Last video I also exhibit how to fix continuous placket. This one, the band, just I show you, and whatever the last portion you see, we have to stitch on that. Yes. So take one part, whatever in continuous placket, the left side one means a thin portion, whatever, this portion we have to start. Okay, minutely watch these things. We have to maintain the distance. So we have to stitch on continuous placket. How to? Very easy way. You just fix on that. Okay, you just put little 1-2 plates also there. So these things will create a design, and it will helpful to carry these things. This is the pasting portion, and our cuff is ready now. You just follow this video. Easily you can understand that's how to fix this band. So whatever, now you see, you can use any kind of sharp things inside. So you'll get the good finishing for the cuff. Another side also. Yes, this thing is ready. Now you have to, another stitch we need just for the finishing. Yes. Properly watch every details. Wow, ultimate cuff is ready. Minutely watch this one. Yes. You see how to turn everywhere. You have to follow these things. Oh wow. Continuous plackets and also this band for shirts. Hope you like this video and please give your valuable comments.